This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need developer options and ADB ready. Do this now. First, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times and then turn on USB debugging. Once done, connect the Android device to your PC with a data cable and confirm the PC's ADB prompt. Grant permission. You're preparing the secure channel that lets you read system files. This is necessary because you can't access another network's password from the Android UI without system-level access. Now you'll get the configuration file that stores network credentials. Open a terminal and run a DB shell. If your device allows, use sudo gain root. Navigate to /data/misc/Wi-Fi and identify Wi-Fi config store. XML or WPA supplicant. Conf. Then exit shell and run a DB pull with the file path to copy it to your PC. You're doing this so you can inspect the stored SSID and PSK entries. The file contains plain text or hex keys, depending on Android version. Finally, open the pulled file in a text editor and locate SSID lines paired with PSK or pre-shared key. Read the value. If it's hex or encoded, convert it using a simple script or known decoding method for that Android release. Make sure to keep privacy and legal use in mind. If you can't access the file, verify root privileges, correct file path, and that USB debugging was authorized. Reinstall ADB drivers and retry. One key tip: missing root typically blocks access to /data, so check that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.